Hi guys, I'm Rita. In today's episode, I will show you how you can add quick sales entries like other income or maybe cash sales on Sage accounting software. To do so, you need to go to sales section and click on quick entries and click on new quick entry. And for example, firstly, you need to select either it's invoice or credit note. In my case, it will be invoice. Select the date, select last Thursday, search by customer or add a completely new customer from at the bottom of your drop-down box. I will select one of available and I will say it's daily sales. So fill in a reference. So if you have an invoice, add invoice number there. Maybe it's receipt number what you issued to your client, or maybe it's PayPal number. Just reference it here so it's easier for you to find at a later time if you need to provide some more details or transactional information. Select a ledger account. In my case, coffee shop matches with coffee shop, but you can click and from drop-down list select the one which applies. For example, maybe it's the orders, or maybe it's part of service, or maybe even it's online baking course like it was in my case. So I have sales of coffee shop. We'll have daily sales. If you have multiple entries to enter, don't say one by one. You can add as many as you want. So in my case, I will select sales for Friday 22nd. We'll have coffee shop daily sales, if I could type, and daily sales. So if you have a till and at the end of the day you print out a till report, you can reference that end till closed report numbers there. Maybe it's that report, etc. And if you're keeping in your cash book. So once you're happy, I haven't added information. So 60 and 230. So once you're happy with entered information, click save. And those two transactions being added here. So this is a way how you can add other income or maybe cash sales record on Sage accounting software. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you have decided to start using Sage accounting software by yourself and you don't know where to start and how to approach, I have actually shared the link in the description section below so you can watch my full and complete Sage tutorial.